Hello traders, so I'm back with another video, and in this video we are going to take a trade and I will explain you every aspect and confirmation I will take in order to take the trade. And if you are new to this channel, we have a blogger website where you can read articles related to trading. The link is given in the video description. And if you are trading over Bank Nifty or Indian stock market, make sure you subscribe that blogger website because you are going to have updates on that website about the Indian stock or Bank Nifty especially. So make sure you subscribe that, and also comment down if you are trading over Bank Nifty, because the more comments I will get, the more motivated I will be to start as soon as possible. So as you can see, we are on the chart. This is 1 minute candlestick, you can see here. And okay, we have an opportunity here, so let me first take the trade. And yes, I think there is a problem in the internet connection. Okay, so we have placed our trade here. Let me explain you why I have taken this trade, because it was very instant. So let me draw the levels first. So you can see this was our resistance previously. As you can see, market was going upward. The minor trend is upward. This candle broke this level, so this is a breakout. Now the market was going up, it retraces back again, going to that very same level which was previously a resistance, now becomes the support level. You can see it formed a great candlestick pattern. So two things: the trend was uptrend, minor trend was uptrend, not that strong trend, but it's still an uptrend. We have a breakout of that resistance level which becomes a support. So we have the support level also. At that very support level, we have a strong Marubozu candlestick pattern. So we have three confirmation here. The fourth one is this is some retracement here. So there is a involvement of price action also. Fifth thing, you can see the momentum. The momentum this candlestick brought was very strong. I'm not talking only about this. If you look carefully about the wick, you will see that the wick is very big. It's bigger than the candlestick by itself. It shows the strength of the buyers. So we have taken this trade because we have a retracement, a strong pullback with a great strong candlestick pattern at a support level in the direction of the trend. So these are the concept that I have applied in this case, and this trade is running right now. And let me find one more trade, because let's move on to different chart. And okay, so I think I'm not very confident about the setup. There is no clear vision here, so I will skip this chart. And this is Euro USD, still same 1 minute candlestick we will analyze. And I guess we will have a trading opportunity. I think we have to wait. I don't see any clear vision here. I'm not sure how I will analyze this chart. So if I don't understand a chart, I didn't take trade actually. So I stick just I I just wait for the right time. Okay, this trade is running still and it's on break even. You can see no profit, no loss till now. Okay, now it's a gap up open and it's going up. So it's going in our favor. That's a good thing. And okay, let this trade run. I think we can take a trade here. Let me see. Okay, we will wait because we have a strong level of support here. This is a strong support level, so we can take a trade if there is a breakout, because the major trend is downtrend. So we can take this setup, this support level, and we can place a breakout trade here. So we will wait. We will take one more trade on this video. So overall we will take two trades. One is running, and as you can see it's going in profit. And let's see if we will Okay, so this trade finishes. Now let me explain you again. So as you can see, the market was in uptrend. We have taken the trade in the direction of the trend. This is the first thing. Second thing, we have the resistance level which was broken and it became support level. As you can see, it's been respected by the same candlestick. So this is the second thing. The third thing, we got a strong candlestick pattern. The fourth thing, we have the momentum. You can see the wick, the length of the wick, and this strong green candle. It suggests the strength of the buyers and the momentum that they are bringing in the market. And the fifth thing, there is some retracement also. So these are the things that I have looked in that particular trade and taken the trade. As you can see, we have taken this trade, and let me move to the Euro USD chart because I think we can have an opportunity here. So if you look carefully, this is a level of resistance. It's a strong level of resistance. Let me draw the area. So this is the area of resistance. So this is our area of resistance, and if it's been broken, we will take the trade in the direction of the breakout, because I have explained in my last video that if there is a breakout, you can take the trade even if it is against the trend. So let's see, it will take some time. Okay, I will focus on this chart now, and let's see. Okay, so it's going to be a breakout, so we will going to take a 5-minute trade. As we all know that when there is a breakout, we take 5-minute trades, and on reversals we take 4-minute trades. And as of now, as you can see, okay, this is a breakout, so I have taken the trade. Now let me explain you why I have taken this trade. As you can see, this is a wick. This wick shows the strength of the seller, but on the other hand, it also shows the strength of the buyers. So sellers pushes the market in the downward direction till this level. Buyers make it reverses again, but again the seller entered and make the market to move till this level. And if you look carefully on this candle, you will find that there are no buyers. Even if this is a support level, it means that this is a breakout. At this time, the market was trying to break the level, but it was not able to because of the buyer's pressure. But on the second minute, it was able to, and so this is a breakout. The candlestick is strong, the support level was strong, and it was clearly visible. It's been broken, it is being clearly visible. The trend is downtrend, so we are taking the trade in the direction of the trend, and we have the breakout also. So we are taking the breakout in the direction of the trend when there is a formation of good strong candlestick. The momentum is also there. This wick shows that the buyers are here, but the next candle shows that buyers are losing their strength. You can see there is no wick, no sign of buyers in that particular candlestick, even when there are support, even when there is a support level, a clear support level. So I have taken this trade because it is in the direction of the trend. It is a breakout, a strong candlestick pattern. We have a momentum. The price action is there also. And if you look carefully, this is the trend continuation. This is the retracement. So now the market will continue to go in the direction of the trend. And after some time, it will retrace back again. So that's why this is the reason why I have taken this trade. These concepts may look complex, but with time you will find out that these are the basic things that you can apply in your trading setup and can make some good trades. So let this trade run, and I think I have explained this trade. And if you still have any doubt, you can ask on the comment section, and I will try to solve it as soon as possible. I will try to bring more such videos on a regular basis so that you all guys can understand it well. As you can see, whenever you have a breakout, the momentum is very strong if it is in the direction of the trend. I'm not talking about when we are trading against the direction of the trend, but when we are trading in the direction of the trend and you find a breakout, you always bet high because it is going to continue its trend for a longer period of time. Until and unless there is a strong level of support or resistance, the market is not going to stop. As you can see, this is a strong level of support. Now the market can reverse from that level. You can see these are the support areas. So this is a support zone. All this is a support zone. So market may reverse from that level, but as you can see, the momentum is very strong. So it will take a lot of strength from the buyers to reverse it back. See, those who shorted here will sell their positions here because this is a level of strong support. Those who are waiting will buy at here. So these levels works these levels works because the sellers and the buyers both have these levels on their eyes. Some of them wants to exit their trades and some of them wants to enter their trades. So whenever there is a combined force, the market reverses or continue its trend. So as you can see, we have spotted a good trading setup here, and it's going very good here. And the setup was very clear. The trend was downtrend, so we have taken the trade in the direction of the trend with a strong candlestick. And one more thing which I want to explain here, that why I have not taken this wick as our support level. See, in my previous video I was taking wicks also, but this is the only wick that I can see, and that's why I was not taking this. And if you look carefully here, you will find that this is a whole number, 134.600. That's why this is a strong level of support, and this is the only wick. So I can say that market tried to break this, but this is not the support level. This is the support level. If you look carefully, you will find multiple touches at this level. You can see this was the multiple touch: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is a strong level of support. If I use this level of support, you will find that you only get one and two level of touches. What we want to make a level strong is multiple touches. That's why I have taken that particular level as the support. And whenever you are trading over breakout, make sure you find a strong level of support or resistance, because if you try to trade in between the areas, the chances of losing the trade is higher. I will explain these things in the coming videos, so you don't have to worry about. I will bring regular updates. So I think I have explained both the trades correctly, and if I missed anything, then please correct me. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.